Hey everyone, I'm Shada and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a simple 3D cylinder in CATIA using the PyCATIA library step by step. So let's get started. Step 1. Connecting to CATIA and creating a part. First, let's import the library. From PyCATIA, import CATIA. Here, CAA is our connection to CATIA. Every command we send to this object will be executed in CATIA. This line creates an instance of the CATIA class. It acts as a connection point to the CATIA application that is already running on your system. By doing this, you can access CATIA's automation interface and start creating or manipulating parts, sketches, and other elements through Python. Now, let's create a part document. Documents, accessing the documents collection in CATIA. Think of it like saying, hey CATIA, give me your list of open files. And .add part in this line creates a new part in CATIA. Every time we run this line, a new part is created in CATIA. Okay. And .part or part attribute returns the main part object inside the CATPart document. Accessing Shape Factory, step 2, accessing Shape Factory and body. Shape Factory is like a toolbox for creating 3D features, paths, pockets, and more. This step is essential because without the Shape Factory, CATIA won't let us create any real 3D objects. Bodies are the main building blocks inside the part, and either one picks the first body in that collection. In CATIA, collections are 1 indexed, so 1 is the very first body. Why does indexing start from 1? I explained this in detail in a LinkedIn post. If you're curious, check it out. Also, I share more advanced tips on LinkedIn, so feel free to connect with me there. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and share it. All right, let's keep going. Step 3, creating a sketch. Creating the sketch on the XY plane. Now let's create our sketch. Body.sketches accesses this sketches collection inside the selected body. In this step, we actually get a reference to the XY plane from the origin elements, which include the default planes and the origin point. And part.inWork object, this line, is like right-clicking the body you want and selecting Define in Work object. Right-clicking body you want and selecting Define in Work object. So CATIA makes it the active body for creating new features. Step 4, drawing the circle. Let's draw a circle. First, run this. Okay. Open Edition opens the sketch for 2D editing and create closed circle, creates a circle centered at 0, 0 with a radius of 25 millimeter. Close Edition closes the sketch. And step 5, extruding to create the cylinder. Now define the cylinder's height and create the path. This tells CATIA take this circle and extrude it upward by 100 millimeter. And to apply all changes, we run this. But before run this and this, let's finally update. A fully defined 3D cylinder ready for further operation like fillets, holes, or assemblies. I've uploaded the file to my GitHub, so you can go there, download it, and try it yourself. And don't forget, if you have any thoughts or experiences, share them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy modeling.